A new day, a new sun makes us to have a new run. See the beautiful world outside, it's waiting for you as the new day has just begun. A very good morning to the chief guest, Mr. Amitesh Kumar, Inspector General Aurangabad, Director of Universal Education, Mr. Aditya Lohana, General Manager of Universal Education, Mr. Ishaq Qureshi, Mr. Kedar Tembe, the Sports Head for Universal Education, and my dear parents. Universal High School Aurangabad is a part of the prestigious Universal Education Group, which has a large presence in Mumbai, Bangalore, Nasik, Trichy, Sharjah, and Dubai. In its first year at Aurangabad, we have strived for excellence in education. Education to us means an all round development that employs traditional teaching wisdom married to modern technological philosophies. With an equal focus on academics, co curricular specializations, and life skills, we at Universal impart premier education to the students in Aurangabad. Following the globally sought after Cambridge International Examinations and the CBSE curriculum, we strive to create an atmosphere that is challenging, creative, and right. Technology integration is a hallmark with the tablet-aided digitalized learning, audio-visual classrooms, a world-class sports facility, and through associations with the best in dance, drama, yoga, music, it is our endeavor to make our children responsible, aware global citizens. We at Universal High believe that it will lead to a new and powerful generation for the future. I'm delighted to inform you that there is a lot of infrastructure development in process at the moment, and we will soon have, parents will be very happy to hear that, hard courts for lawn tennis and basketball, rock climbing walls, indoor sports facility, football and cricket field, elaborate play gym systems, a toddler water park. Dear parents, the development of an athlete is a long process. Before children start specializing in any sport, they should be learning skills and taking part in activities that match their stage of development. This is called long-term athlete development, or LTAD. Our sports curriculum follows the same path. All primary standard children will go through a physical education program based on the LTAD philosophy. When they start developing into good athletes, as they grow, they will start specializing into a sport. For advanced level training in the team sport, we will start the after school sports activity where we train our students to compete in inter-school tournaments. A physical education instructor works with the children every day to sharpen their skill sets so that all our teams perform well in tournaments and the students enjoy the fruit of the hard work put in. And today is the day when all our students will portray their potentials and zeal towards sports. So all you athletes, try your very best and reach for your goals today. Best of luck. It is a great pleasure that all of us are a part of our very first field day, a synergy, sports, fun and fitness. We are honored to have Mr. Amitesh Kumar, Inspector General of Police, Aurangabad, as a chief guest, and delighted to have all of you dear parents as a part of our sports celebrations. All of your presence is a huge inspiration for all the students and the staff of Universal High. Let's work together to make this field day the best one in our school history. Wishing you a day full of smiles and happy moments. Thank you.